I'm Elizabeth from Myra, and today we have Joel from Honest Insurance MY.
Hi everyone!
So Joel, why don't you tell us why you're here today?
So I'm here today. I'm going to answer some of Myra's home buyers' most asked questions about home insurance.
Not only that, apparently some of the interns prepared a gift for you.
Oh, okay.
And me, apparently.
Wow, that's a very nice gift.
No! So I guess let's just get started.
Sure, let's do it. Not too bad.
Okay, so Joel, first question. Is home insurance compulsory? What if I don't want to pay for it?
Well, actually by law it's not compulsory, but for the bankers, it's actually important for them because they give you a loan, right? So they're afraid that if you're not around anymore to pay off the loan, then they can't claim it back. So that's where it's compulsory for them.
But why do people always say that we need to get it, and then they have like different terms and the bank kind of forces it?
Cross-selling is one of the strategies like banks. So they don't want to just sell a loan to you, they want to sell also the insurance part. So they often put it together with the loan, and then like they say that you can pay it month by month.
I heard that they give a pretty like extra thing, right? Like lower interest or the same interest.
Yeah. I mean, like if you don't want to get the insurance with the loan, then they will actually charge higher interest for you.
Who do you think would be able to explain about home insurance a little bit clearer? The bank or the developer?
It's definitely the banker side. If I'm not mistaken, the developers, when they sell the house, they get the loan from the bank already. So the developer is no part in this home purchaser, for the home buyer.
But the developer also would kind of like have a bit of info, right?
Yeah, so I think they want to make it seamless for the home buyer. So they'll have their own bankers and they try to give extra information. But I think it's best to actually ask the bankers because the bankers are ultimately the one offering the product. Just make sure you know what you buy, right?
Can ask the developer still lah, right? Because I mean they're selling the house to you need to know what's going on.
Yeah, I think nowadays developers are trying to give that whole holistic sort of service.
Education towards home buying is so important.
Correct, yeah.
So the third question that we had on our list is whether MRTA, is it true that it's non-transferable between one home to the other? Because I heard that it's not possible.
Technically, it is possible to transfer. If you want to transfer MRTA to another property, most likely you will get a different bank for the loan. More of like the technical part of the sales side. Yeah, that's why they tell you cannot. But I mean, actually with a little effort, actually you can.
So lesson of the day is to essentially force them to do it.
Yeah, give them more samyang, and then ask them to do it for you.
Like, eat it. Change my MRTA to my other house.
Correct.
So now that we kind of know the basic issue about MRTA, or how much does it cost between like MRTA and MLTA? Because I heard that they are different, but essentially both of them are like home insurance.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Okay.
MRTA is definitely cheaper because MRTA only covers the loan amount, while MLTA coverage doesn't change because it's a level term, so it doesn't change throughout the whole life. But generally, MLTA is about 10 times the premium.
More expensive.
Yeah, 10 times more expensive.
Wow.
But it comes with benefits, I can't really put the price to it, but it depends on factors like property value, occupation. So the insurance company will actually come and count it up. They have like certain formulas to count it. So, but you can pay it, monthly or quarterly or annually.
For home insurance like MRTA and MLTA, any of them refundable?
With MRTA, there's nothing refundable because the insurance amount it only covers the loan for your house, right? So as it reduces, technically there's no excess cash value. But if you get MLTA, if your property is maybe 500,000 and then after 5 years it's 300,000, and you want to claim the mortgage insurance, so there'll be the excess 200,000, which actually will go to the nominee or the beneficiary.
Average.
Yeah, so in that sense, it's refundable.
I'm nearly done with yours. Heck. Which is better? MRTA or whole life insurance? You might you get one after after this?
MRTA, it will just go to the bank directly. So whole life insurance, the difference is that not only it covers a certain amount, but it gives power to your nominees. Give them the comfort like they have some money to roll with after you're passing.
Like MRTA is just like if you do pass, then they just get the house.
Yeah, they get the house only.
But whole life insurance, you get like
Cash. Yeah, sometimes you don't need the house only, you need cash for your food, ad hoc expenses, things
I
like
don't want the house. I want.
Okay.
Next important question, since you're Malaysians, we like to know all of the good deals, right? So what is or who is giving the cheapest insurance?
Ooh, okay. That's a very good question. Well, I can't really answer that. I think it's quite difficult to pinpoint like who gives the cheapest. I think because it really depends also, like I said, the few factors. More importantly, like the property value. I think a better way to answer that would be to ask the home buyers to actually do more research, get educated, know more, and really do a comparison because something you're buying, not just someone selling to you. So it's very important to know. And if you compare, you get to see what the differences are, right? Because sometimes some companies give you a little bit extra incentive, bonus.
That's true.
Come on, we can do this. Last few bites. No?
Last 6 bites.
6 bites. Almost there.
8, give it 8. The last
Why are we still here?
Does home insurance give you like any protection for your property or your assets or anything that you have in your house?
We talk about the asset, the house itself, or things in the house, you want to get different type of insurance for that, which is called I think homeowner insurance or like homeholder insurance, sometimes they call it. So this type of insurance, they actually cover things like natural disaster, fire, tornado, flood. If it damages your house. The other type also is they cover theft. So if someone come and pecah into your house and then steal your samyang maybe, and
Samyang is the most important thing.
so it's the most important thing in the house. It's quite rare actually to hear people buy insurance for the home content.
It is.
Unless you really have a few more Rolexes and a lot of jewelry, then definitely you need those type of insurance.
If you don't insure your Rolex.
Why?
Yep.
You should.
Just giving a few thousands away.
So this has been great. I have quarter left of my samyang, but I will take this last bite with you.
Okay.
Thank you for answering all of our questions, and I've definitely learned something here, and I'm pretty sure all of them did as well.
Yeah, my pleasure. I mean, aside from the torture, I really hope that our Q&A session has helped many home buyers to get to know a little bit more about home insurance.
So thank you everybody for watching today. Don't forget to follow Honest Insurance NY and Ask Myra on social media platforms. Bye!
Bye!